Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of Hamster Kombat. Being a game within Telegram, Hamster Kombat does not have a traditional logout function. But here are a couple of ways to effectively disengage from the game. If you're absolutely certain you want to stop playing, then you can disconnect from your Telegram account easily. From the main exchange page of Hamster Kombat, go ahead and click on the cancel button at the top left corner. You will then get back to Telegram. From the Telegram app, click on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, click on edit at the top right and then click on log out at the bottom of the screen. Click on log out once again. In the pop-up, click OK. Soon after you click on OK, you will be logged out of your Telegram account and also be disconnected from your Hamster Kombat account. So that is the only way you will be able to log yourself out of Hamster Kombat. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.